Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anusha. I know it's been 3 months I didn't uploaded any videos on my YouTube channel. From today I make sure I upload it constantly. So today's video is going to be about creating this look. It is an makeup look for office going girls or college going girls. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Before using any of the makeup products on your face, just make sure you washed your face cleanly. I've used Liva Ayush Pimple Clear Face Wash. After washing my face, I'm using Nivea lip balm to moisturize my lips because I'm using matte lipstick in this makeup look. So I want my lips to be well prepared for that. After moisturizing my lips, I'm using Mamaearth by Blumishes face cream to moisturize my face. It is available on Amazon and Mamaearth website. If you guys want me to review about the product, you just comment me below. Take a pea-size amount of Mamaearth product and dot it all over your face. Do not forget to apply on your neck also. Gently rub it. Do not rub it very harshly. After applying it, just leave it for 2 to 3 seconds. Let the product absorb to your skin very well. I'm just skipping the sunscreen step. But you guys make sure whenever you are going out of the house, make sure you have applied sunscreen on your face and the neck with a maximum SPF of 50. So after using sunscreen, I'm using Olivia Pan Stick. It is a waterproof and sweat-proof makeup stick. It is available on Flipkart. It costs around 150 rupees. I'm in the shade 05 Touch and Glow. Dot it all over your face and do not forget to apply on your neck also. Take a beauty blender. Make sure you dip your beauty blender in a water and squeeze the excess water from the blender and use it for blending. For blending, do not rub it. Just dab it all around your face and also around your neck. Just the way I'm showing in the video. It gives you an instant gradient look to your face. After using Olivia, I'm setting it using Lakme Rose Powder. You guys can use whatever loose powder you have. I'm taking the same beauty blender to apply it. And for applying, do not blend it very harshly. Just dab it all around your face and neck wherever you have applied foundation. If at all if you are not comfortable with using blender, you can use brushes also. I'm just leaving my brows the same way because I have not threaded it. I'm using Simply Pretty Avon eyeliner. If it is possible, I'll just link all the product links in the description box. You guys can go through it. I'm not drawing a winged eyeliner. I'm just drawing a normal bold eyeliner look for this. Just ignore the background noise, guys, please. I'm doing the same thing for my second eye. I'm just removing the excess product from my lashes. So yeah, I'm done with the eyeliner. So after using the eyeliner, I'm just curling my lashes. Just leave it for 5 to 10 seconds. Let the eyeliner dries up completely. Take your eyelash curler and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds so the lashes get curled up nicely. You guys can see it. Just hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. After curling my lashes, I'm moving on to mascara. I'm using Blue Heaven Walk Free Mascara. It is a waterproof and smudge proof. It gives your lashes a voluminous look and it superbly curls your lashes. One of my favorite mascara. Apply on your lashes and do not forget to apply on your under lashes also. I mean lower lashes. Do the same thing for the second eye. And then I'm just taking a tissue to wipe the excess product from my lips. Oh yeah, the thing is I forgot to use a lip liner. I'm using a brown lip liner. I'm using a red lipstick, so I'm using a brown lip liner so it gets contrast with it. Do not forget to use a lip liner whenever you are using a matte lipstick because it gives you a nice shape to your lips. I don't know why am I making funny faces like that. Please ignore it, guys. After then I'm using Huda Beauty matte lipstick. I think it is the dark red shade. I'm not sure if it is possible, I'll just link it below. I'm done with applying lipstick. Later I'm using bindi to give a complete look for this makeup look. So I braided my hair and then oh yeah, I forgot to use kajal. I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal. I think everyone's favorite. I mean every girl's favorite. I'll not say it is a smudge proof and waterproof, but it lasts around 2 hours. I'm not sure. But it is okay for school going girls and college going girls. I'll not recommend it. So yeah, that's it. I hope you love it. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you guys liked it, do not forget to hit a like button over there and do let me know in the comment section what kind of videos you guys want me to do in my next videos, and also hit the bell button over there so that you will get notified whenever I upload my new video. Until then, meet you in the next video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye guys, love you.